is about the VRSF. This is the high flow performance whatever catted downpipe. I got the downpipe, like the catless one, but I decided that if I'm gonna sell the car or whatever, I need it to be catted, so we just get the high flow cat, so it has like all this stuff inside. And yeah, this thing weighs a good amount, and we're gonna be installing it on the car. And I already have before and after clips, or before clips, and then I'll do some after clips and I'll put them all together. And then yeah, so got all the clamps and stuff ready, so let's get into the install and I'll show you what you have to do and what tools you're gonna need. Let's get it. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you all the things you're gonna need and want to use to be able to get your stock downpipe out of your N55 BMW M2. So first, starting off with a light, you're gonna need a light because it just makes life easier. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver or some type of tool like this to be able to undo your O2 sensors. Some deep socket, short, ratchet, I think that's what it's called, a hammer, a clutchless or a clutch or a impact gun to help with your bolts and stuff. I use the impact. Also an extender for your to adapt your lug nuts and stuff like that, because you have to go pretty deep inside the engine bay. And I also use this for these pliers for the V-clamps. You just stick it in. I'll show you how later, but just very helpful. And I'm also going to show you what tools I use to lift up the car and how to jack it. So we'll get into that. Undercarriage is completely uncovered. I just use the jack as like a support, kind of to drop it since I'm like a one-man crew. And yeah, I can see the downpipe, it's right there. But yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, so yeah, it's the following day. I was way too tired yesterday. So we're gonna do the we're gonna unplug the O2 sensor, make sure the car's bricked up, ramps are good, parking brakes on, all that good stuff. Now I just gotta pop the hood and we're gonna do the O2 sensor. I'll show you which sensors you need to pull and how, and then we'll start going from the bottom and start unbolting all the bolts for the downpipe, and we'll install the new one. So let's do it. I don't want to see what's going on. So I'm under the car now, a little close. So this is the downpipe. So I just have to do this screw, take it off. Might have to do these, no, I think it's just this. We just have to take this off. And then I already see the sensors that I just snuck down through here. Because if you look up top, up top there's like a little clip up there where they hang so they don't like fall or whatever. And then once I do that, I can just start taking the V clamps off, which is right here and right here. So it's out. I take this nut out, and then the V clamp in here, which was a big pain in the ass. And then this V clamp came out, very big pain in the ass. But yeah, I got it out, and it's gonna come out, and I'm excited. So let's do this. Ugh.